All right.
Did you hear about this?
No, NASA's DART spacecraft crashes head on into asteroid. 1340-pound spacecraft plowed directly. What a cool clip. Wow, that's legit?
Yep.
DART approaching Dimorphos, shown at 8 times normal speed, and then just like red. Crash.
So the reason why NASA built this spacecraft, DART, it's a defense force for asteroid impact for Earth. This one actually was not headed to Earth, this asteroid, but it was kind of like a proof of concept that they can launch sort of like a missile, or it looks like a satellite, and then it hits the asteroid in hopes that it kind of like changes its orbit and trajectory,
Whoa.
like in the long term. So you don't need to like actually shoot a missile to blow up the asteroid.
You just got to change its direction slightly, get it off course. But it's interesting they're calling it a spacecraft as opposed to
no
like
one
a
was there.
projectile, right? It's calling it a spacecraft, kind of interesting.
It did look like a satellite.
NASA's first demonstration of possible planetary defense strategy appears to have gone exceptionally well, with the DART spacecraft successfully impacting a non-threatening asteroid following a 10-month journey. 10-month journey, wow. To the Didymos binary asteroid system. Wow. This, it gets super science fiction at a point.
Yeah.
But then fiction becomes reality at a point too,
Yes.
if you can think it. That's very cool.
And this is the ground telescope that caught the explosion.
Oh, wow.
So that's a
It looks like it's flying. That must be sped up as well.
I think so.
It looks pretty speedy.
That was going really quick.
Yeah. Whoa.
But yeah, it was completely successful. And we have a defense program for asteroids now.
Let's go. Humans.
There's that.
Send that one up there.